It's Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, your trusted plumbing and HVAC company since 2009 serving South Central Indiana. Today, we're talking about something that's easy to overlook but super important for your home's air quality, your HVAC filter. If you've ever stood in the aisle wondering what MERV means, you're not alone. Let's break it down so you can make the best choice for your home. MERV stands for Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value. It's a simple rating that tells you how well a filter catches particles from the air. The higher the MERV number, the more stuff the filter can trap, like dust, pollen, pet dander, and even some bacteria. Here's the quick rundown. MERV 1 to 4, basic filters. Good for catching large dust particles, but not much else. MERV 5 to 8, standard for most homes. These filters catch dust, mold spores, and pet dander, great for everyday use. MERV 9 to 12, even better for homes with allergies or pets. These trap smaller particles like fine dust and pollen. MERV 13 to 16, hospital-level filtration. These can trap bacteria, smoke, and even some viruses. But heads up, these filters can restrict airflow if your system isn't designed for them. So, how do you pick the right one? First, check your HVAC system's manual or ask a pro, like us, which MERV rating your system can handle. Most homes do best with a MERV 8 or MERV 11 filter. If you go too high, you might block airflow, which can stress your system and cost you more on energy bills. Change your filter every 1 to 3 months. If you have pets, allergies, or live near construction, check it more often. Write the date on the filter when you install it so you don't forget. Choosing the right filter helps keep your air clean and your HVAC running smoothly. If you have questions or want us to take a look at your system, give Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical a call. We're always here to help you breathe easier. Call today at 812-327-8080.